Good morning and welcome back to trading. And today is Monday, the 9th of September, 2019, and the time just after 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, today where we got another update in the stock market, we're starting to see interest rates, if you look at them, the futures markets falling, which means the market's getting back to a more stable, getting a lift in actual real interest rates. That's weighing a little bit, I think, on the gold market, silver market. The copper market's getting a break today, even with China changing the bank reserve requirements on Friday that we had talked about, and that's not having a follow-through impact right now. We have an OPEC meeting coming up later this week on Thursday with a brand new Saudi oil minister. So that should be interesting. And this oil minister is one of the king's sons. So they're consolidating power, putting it back in the hands that the Prince Mohammed wants for the Saudi Aramco deal. In looking at today's data, the conference board, let me get over here and not trip over the lighting. The index is right now at 110.62. It did not fall much. It's 110.62. If you take a look the prior month was revised down to 110.72 from 110.98. So down not as much as it could have been against the number that was revised lower. The European Central Bank, that is going to be the elephant in the room going right into this Thursday as we wait to see that data. What's the bank going to do? Is it going to be very aggressive or not? This is Mario Draghi, by the way, last act as the acting head of the European Central Bank, and after that, Ms. Lagarde takes over. The UK economic data, the July GDP up 0.3 on the month and up 1/10 on the 1% on the year. And as you can see, the manufacturing output up 0.3. They expected it down 0.2, and the production was up 0.1 versus expectations of flat. So we'll see what that does. That doesn't hurt any of the markets. We are going to get into that quiet period where our Fed doesn't say much right now. The Fed presidents won't be traveling around doing much speaking at this point. We get into that blackout period shortly. As next week, not this week, is when our monetary policy gets announced. Right now, there's a 91% probability on the CME Fed Watch page that there'll be a quarter-point rate cut at that meeting. So you put it all together, a quiet day. Will the metals go down and challenge the lows of last week and take those out with any meaning or not is probably a question some traders want to know. On Thursday, we're going to get the USDA WASDE report, which is going to give us an idea of world supply demand, as well as more of an update on what current yields are looking like in that particular market. Bitcoin pretty stable today. And in the nat gas, we have a lot of warm weather, the remnants of Hurricane Dorian. If you take a look at the maps, it's going to go up east. The market is building in the heat demand for a late summer surge in heat needs. And after that, we probably get a lot quieter. Let's talk about other things, though, in the marketplace. Market research. You know, one of the tools that I've used for many years are seasonal trades. Now, let me make this very clear. It's a tool. It is not something that I would go and blindly base because of past history, this is going to happen. You look at it, and one of the things you always want to do is make certain that what you think is going on now ties in with what you think then. If you're looking at seasonality, be it in the grain markets, what's going on with the Fed at certain times of the year, this could be an interesting ploy for it. We offer a free 2-week trial on it. All you need to do is give us a call. You can go to our website, sign up for our free offerings there, and you'll see our other offerings as well. And you can click up here where I'm pointing to. If you're watching me on YouTube, it'll take you right there as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourselves a great day. I'll see you at the end of the day with our end of the day financial, agriculture, and metal market updates. Take care.